You would have heard of the adage, running with a hare and hunting with a hound. In this episode, we will see how a country is trying to follow such a policy and how a Central African country is taking it on. Namaskar. Last week, we spoke of Indonesia and China maintaining a duopoly in the global nickel market. This has impacted the cobalt market, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, is challenging them. Cobalt prices have increased by about 40% in the past month to $33,965 a ton. The rise is because Congo banned cobalt exports for 4 months from February 22. The ban took the global market by surprise. The move is to overcome a production glut. The country's spokesperson has said the ban could be extended. A key component in batteries for electric vehicles and mobile phones, cobalt has diverse applications. It is used as an alloy metal in superalloys for higher temperatures and corrosion-resistant applications in rechargeable batteries and as a catalyst in petroleum and chemical industry. According to Fast Markets, Congo accounts for 77% of global cobalt production. It was estimated at 3 lakh tons in 2024, and the refined market has a surplus of 27,000 tons. This year, the surplus was projected at 21,000 tons. The cobalt market has been in a state of continuous oversupply, and this dragged prices to 8-year lows until the current surge. In 2024, Indonesia became the second largest supplier of cobalt. Its share in the market increased to 10% from 7% in 2023. This was possible as Indonesia's refined nickel industry, supported by Chinese investment, became a cornerstone of China's nickel supplies. Chinese producers dominate Indonesia's mixed hydroxide precipitate projects, ensuring a steady feedstock supply for China's downstream battery industry. On the other hand, China's imports of cobalt intermediaries surged in 2024 by 64.6% to 1.88 lakh tons compared with 2023. This sharp increase in production was driven by the increased cobalt mine supply from DRC. China's CMOC group is the largest global producer of cobalt, and it has 2 copper cobalt mines in Congo. In 2024, it recorded a 106% increase in cobalt production at 1.14 lakh tons. This year, it targets to produce 1 to 1.2 lakh tons. Fast Markets analysts say that despite short-term weakness in nickel prices, Chinese investments in projects to extract cobalt from nickel laterite ore using the high-pressure acid leach process will increase significantly. This is a long-term strategy to secure critical resources for battery production, with the use of nickel in batteries expected to grow significantly. These HPAL projects ensure sustained growth in Indonesia's cobalt output. Cobalt production from MHP is expected to grow by 17% from 29,000 tons in 2024 to 34,000 tons in 2025. If cobalt prices rise to unfeasible limits, then battery manufacturers could try and remove cobalt from batteries. It looks like Congo's move to ban cobalt export is targeted at China for its running with a hare and hunting with a hound policy. Can Congo pull it off? Fingers crossed. Thank you, viewers, for your continued support throughout this season. Stay tuned for Season 2 of the Trending Commodity Picks from April 15 with a new flavor. Until then, keep smiling and be happy. This is Subramani Mancombu signing off. Good luck.